Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is the condition of the tents in Beqaa Valley. Today it's Sunday, the 17th of February 2019, and we are in 2019, and you can imagine people on earth have to live these conditions. This is their home. This is how they should survive in this winter. They are our brothers and sisters coming from Syria, seeking peace for their children, for their elder people, for the women, and subhanallah, this is how they have to live in this winter. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Please don't forget them. Jazakumullah.